Hello friends, welcome to our channel PR Learning Lab. Today in this video, we are going to learn about page breaks and section breaks in Microsoft Word. First of all, I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. First of all, we learn about what is page break and section break. The page breaks partition only the body text of the document, whereas the section breaks partition both the body text of the document and its associated formatting such as headers and footers, page numbers, footnotes, margins, etc. So friends, here I am using Microsoft 365 apps. Firstly, we'll know about different kinds of page breaks. The first one is the simple page break. You can insert the simple page break either from choosing insert and insert a page break, or you can also choose it from layout, breaks and the page. Mark the point at which one page ends and the next page begins. Place your cursor where you want the page to break into a new page. For example, here I want it to come into a new page. So place the cursor here, then choose the breaks and select page. Now you can see this paragraph has been converted into a new page. The second type of page breaks is column breaks. You can use this type of page breaks when your document has columns in it. Any text which is to the right of the cursor where the break is inserted will be forced into a new column. Now you can see I have placed my cursor over here and I am applying the column break. You can see that the text which is right to the cursor has been moved into a new column. Now, the third type of page breaks, that is the text wrapping break. It moves any text which is behind the cursor to the next line. This type of break may be useful when your Word document has some images in it. Now, place the cursor over here where you want the line to be converted into a next line, and now select layout, breaks and text wrapping. Now you can see that the data of the document which is behind the cursor has been moved to a new line. You can also use some predefined text wrapping styles. Now we'll see about the different styles of wrapping which are predefined. All you have to do is place the cursor anywhere where you want the image to be printed. Now insert the image. It may be either from your PC or it may be an online picture. Select any picture and insert it. Behind this picture you can observe the small layout options, and here there are some predefined text wrapping styles and you can select any wrapping style which is convenient for you. Now by default there is this inline with text option and you can select the various styles, and you can observe that there has been a change in the text along with the picture. You can observe this. That's all my friends about text wrapping and about page breaks. Let us see about section breaks in the further. Now let us learn about different types of section breaks. The first type of section break is the next page break, which forces the text which is right of the cursor into the following page. It also partitions the document into sections and also allowing for a change with margins, headers, footers as well as the numbered pages. Let us have a look at it. Now I am placing my cursor over here. This document has a header and a footer. Now you can see when I am applying the break here, it has been transferred into the next page with no change in the margins or in the headers or in the footers. This is most useful when your document must be divided into chapters or into sections. Now we'll see how to create different headers and footers in the same document using next page break. You can see that my document already has some header on it with the name title page, and every page of this document will have the same header. All you have to do is place your cursor at the end of the page and now apply the next page break. You can see that even the newly created page will have the same header. Create some content in the page and now double click on the header. All you have to do is deselect this link to previous option because this links the header with the previous pages. And now if you deselect this option, you can create new headers and footers. Deselect this option and type the new header name you want on this page. For example, say summary page and double click on the body text. Now you can observe that there will be different header on different pages. You can observe here. This is the main advantage of using section break. The second type of section breaks is continuous breaks, which allows for the partition of a document and also allowing the user to change headers, footers, page numbers, margins, etc. It also gives us the opportunity of not changing or altering the body of the document. Now I am placing my cursor over here and applying the continuous break. This continuous break allows for one section of a document to end and the other to begin on the same page. This kind of break is most useful when the document has already been composed but still requires different formatting such as footnotes, headings, etc. The third type of section breaks is an even page break. An even page break will shift all the text which is to the right of the cursor to the top of the next even page. As you can see, I am placing my cursor over here and applying the even page break. You can see that the page 2 is the next even page and all the text which is to the right of the cursor has been transferred to the top of the second page. The last type of section breaks is an odd page break. This will move the text to the right of the cursor to the top of the next odd page. As you can see, I am placing my cursor over here and applying the odd page break. You can observe that the text has been moved to page number 3, which is the next odd page. That's all, my friends, about page breaks and section breaks. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel PR Learning Lab.